Rada, especially in Iceland. Also known as Rainland and Windland. Black Sand Beach in Vik. I ain't no hick, I'm in Vik, V-I-K, Iceland. About 2 hours and a half from Reykjavik, the capital. The tripod's like the Edmund Fitzgerald. And the Edmund Fitzgerald. It must be all home and victory, it's the American sailor's cathedral. Windy as hell. We'll give you the quick pan around and get back to my car. I should have a long sleeve shirt on. I didn't plan to be going to Iceland on this trip, but shit happens. Here we go. Por favor, no super you! Did I mention the Howling wind is a raider? Did I mention un momento, no super you? There you go, boys and girls. I gotta get back to my car, because you can't tell, maybe you can't, I'm freezing. In honor of Def Leppard, fooling, I'm freezing, and the tripod's moving, and I gotta go.